Let's compare the advanced decode features of the Rigol 7000 series compared to the Tektronix MDO3000 series. To begin with, I have already set up both instruments to be triggering on and decoding an I2C signal. The Tektronix has firmware version 1.26. The MDO3000 allows the user to be able to select a couple different modes to view the signal. We can either choose between hex or binary, which allows us to view the signal on the screen. The other aspect about this instrument is we can use the event table. And the event table is rather useful when we say zoom out and then stop the signal. And we can use the event table and with their multi-purpose knob say select an event, and with their wave inspector function we can actually move around. And then once we turn off the event table, we're actually moving around on the signal that we're decoding. And this can be rather useful for selecting different bits further down the line than where we were when we first were triggering on the signal. With Rigol 7000 series oscilloscope, within the decode menu, we can also go in and change our format of our decoded data. And to do this, we go into first the display mode and then the format. And once we're in format, we can choose between hex, decimal, binary, or ASCII, giving us more options to decode our signal. We can also use the built-in event table, which will show us both our packets being shown along with our payload of the data being shown. And where this is useful is when we say, let's close this out, when we scale back quite a bit and we see multiple different decode events and we stop our signal and we turn our event table on, we'll see multiple events being shown in our event table. And we can say select one with our touchscreen and then press jump to, and what we'll see is both the event change, and if we close out of the event table, we can then zoom in on that decoded event, and we can further analyze it. With Rigol 7000 series, users have the ability to view their data with two more formats than the Tektronix MDO3000 series, and they're easily able to move around within the signal without leaving the decode menu.